9. Caffeine can cause insomnia. Although the effects of caffeine can appear as quickly as 15 minutes after you consume it, it can last in your body for up to 6 hours, and you are under its influence the entire time. This may be a pro if you're simply drinking a cup of coffee before work, but it poses great difficulty when trying to sleep. With all of the excess neurotransmitters and hormones in your system, you're less likely to be able to keep your eyes closed and drift off to sleep. Caffeine can also cause trouble with your sleeping patterns and reduce your stages of REM sleep, which is known to stimulate the areas of your brain that are essential in learning, as well as making or retaining memories. This results in increased sleepiness throughout the day, which equals to consuming more caffeine, and it just turns into a vicious cycle. Number 10. Caffeine promotes bowel movements. Many people find that when they drink coffee in the morning, they typically have to go to the bathroom shortly after, and this
drift off, drift off, drift off.